A house on 500 square meters of land is a great solution for those who want to live in their own house and have their own territory, but don't want to spend a lot of time on yard maintenance. If you don't want to hire a gardener or other people to take care of your plot, then 500 square meters is the perfect option. Taking care of the plot will be easy. Just mow the grass once a week and take care of the trees. Your plot is small, but everything is properly distributed and thought out. There's a place for parking cars under a canopy, so you don't have to worry about the safety of your car. A large terrace, located in a convenient place, will be an ideal place to spend time with family and friends. Here you can enjoy fresh air and nature, spending time in pleasant company. Your plot will have enough green space to create a cozy atmosphere, and a few trees and shrubs to decorate your plot. The house itself, although small, is well thought out and modern. It is perfect for a family to live in comfortable conditions. Therefore, if you want to live in your own house and enjoy life on your territory, but don't want to spend a lot of time and money on yard maintenance, then a house on 500 square meters of land is the ideal choice for you. Create your cozy and comfortable home and enjoy life in a pleasant atmosphere.